I am here on New Year's Day, and I am here with Ben, Mary, Brian, and Sam, and we are at Deception Pass State Park, and we are going to be exploring some of the trails to get some good views here at Deception Pass. The first one we're going to be doing is the Goose Rock Summit Trail Loop, where we're going to get some really good views, and apparently it's the high point on Whidbey Island, and we are still enjoying the snow that we got over Christmas, so gonna be really pretty. There's some beautiful old growth trees along here. There's Brian for scale. Okay, we made it to the true summit of Goose Rock, and apparently the true summit of, I guess, all of Whidbey Island. Beautiful view, but very windy. Wow. So over that way is the Olympic Mountains, and I believe that island there is Deception Island, and then we're looking over here out at the San Juans. Oh, beautiful. Okay, so we came off the summit and now we're actually going to be taking the trail down that goes for the ocean side viewpoint to make this into a nice little loop. The snowpack isn't too bad, so we haven't been slippery. It hasn't been too slippery. It's had some good grip to it, and the trail isn't steep, so nobody slipped and falled yet. No idea if this is gonna come out on camera, but we just saw an owl and he's perched in the tree right up there. Wow. Oh my God. So here we have a blaze for the Pacific Northwest National Scenic Trail. If you don't know, that's actually a companion to, it's something similar to the AT, the PCT, and the CDT. It's another long distance backpacking trail that goes from Montana all the way to the edge of the Olympic Peninsula here in Washington. And it's not complete, but it's definitely a project that is underway to make another really epic National Scenic Trail. I've never seen one of the blazes for it before. Really cool. So we concluded our Goose Rocks loop, but that is not the end of the Deception Pass adventure. Now we are going to go on the bridge trail, which is the bridge across Deception Pass. Best views at the park. So we're here on Pass Island, the island that supports the bridge halfway across the pass. And then there is the little one here, Strawberry Island. The bigger one in the cove is Ben-Ur Island, which actually has a cabin on it that you can rent here at the pass. And then here's the first section of bridge that we came across out into the Sound and the San Juans. Well, we made it back across the bridge. That wind was insanely cold on the other side, but I highly recommend walking across the bridge. Not fun with the traffic right next to you, but it is the best views of Deception Pass State Park. Also, highly recommend the Goose Rock Trail. Really fun trail. We saw so much wildlife. We saw the bald eagles, we saw an owl, we saw so many other shorebirds in the forest and at the pass. Absolutely beautiful, perfect weather to start off the new year. And this video is also going to be a little bit unique, I guess, because usually you're not seeing Deception Pass covered in snow like this. So really special and different to get to see it covered in snow. But yeah, really fun trails. I highly recommend both. If you are coming over this way, both really short and easy, and lots of fun. If you enjoyed this, you can leave a thumbs up and subscribe to follow our adventures on trail this year. And here are my favorite pictures from the trail.